Welcome everyone. In this video, we will guide you through the process of an innovative tool for creating and sharing by the Google AI. Before we see, let us first set the experimental environment and follow the guidelines to use this AI for completely free. Once again, welcome to my channel. If you are not subscribed my channel, subscribe now. Now let's go through the setup. Initially, we want to type Google Labs, where the Google Labs is a place where every AI is stored inside it. We have to register with our Google accounts and then we can use this experimental AIs. Here, the first AI we will be seeing is Google Search. This Google Search is temporarily not available for us, but later on they will be activating it for everyone. You can join the waiting list. And the next thing is the ways of AI working with workspaces like Gmails, Drive. In this and all, we can use this AI. Just complete the agreements and see to that you are awaiting and submit. Now the form has been submitted and you can use this AI. And the next thing we will be seeing Notes AI. It is not available for India, it's only available for US. So I will show you. If you are a US citizen, you can avail this. For India only, it will be showing as joining waitlist, but the page will not be loaded. So I'll skip it. If you want to turn your words into music, if you want to, you can join the waiting list. But we'll be seeing the generative AI. It is the next thing of Bard, Google Bard. Here the Palm 2 is an API which will be using to write codes, notes, articles and creating pictures, randomized thumbnails, everything it will be helping. It will be helping with the help of MakerSuite, which gives the API. It is not available right now, so we will be seeing today Google Bard. The must 3 prompts which everyone must try this. It will be really fun and really experimental. Now let us see the Google Bard. This is the Google Bard UI. It is also similar to ChatGPT, and here you can see the dark and light theme. The advantage of Bard is we can manually customize the data storage. Like if we click on the Bard activity here, then you can see the Bard activity, what are the previous commands we done, and the active delete or the last moment delete we need to see. Here I will be setting up with 18 months actually, but if you don't want to delete the prompts which you do it, then you must select it as don't delete. And next, the Bard activity which stores the data whatever you types and it uses for further recommendations. If you want to turn on, you can turn it on, otherwise you can turn it off. It will access your data and learns from what are the prompts you are using. Later then we can see how to delete the previous last hour, last minute, what are the prompts which you have done. You can delete it. Return back to Google Bard, and I would like to ask a prompt for a script on Mahabharatam. This script must explain me line by line about the story of Mahabharata. You can see that the Google Bard is replying that scene by scene, scene 1 and scene 2, everything is showing here. The characters are also listed separately. By reading this itself, you could understand the complete scene, and you can innovatively, using a creative methods, you can do this drama. It gave the complete script, and we should just share the script and monetize for ourselves. That's a simple task we must do using this AI. When we type the next scene, it shows a scene 3. By this, it makes us to feel easier, and it's in a simple conversation manner, so everyone can get these outputs and learn better. Next prompt we will be seeing is summarizing. Now I will get into an article about technology and I will summarize the content and form some questions through it. This is not a good here. In this website there is a lot of article about the VR and AR. I will paste this and I ask the summary report for this with the key points. Now the summarized report will be shown. Reading a long lines of articles will take a lot of time, but this makes us very shorter and precise. So the key points alone is enough to learn. I will ask a prompt to gather the MCQ questions in this summary. Now this will give me a MCQ question. Then we can do this same prompt how many times we want and create as many questions as we want. Or else at the single time also we can ask for create 10 questions, 20 questions like that. It will create with solutions. And you can use this to learn better for students. And the next prompt we will be seeing is tourist planning. This Google Bard can be also used for planning for a good trips. I would like to plan a trip for Goa on 3 days. If I give a prompt like this to this Google Bard, this will give me a complete plan for 3 days by reaching time and the time when we want to see the tourist places, and we can also optimize the places with the best time to view the places. Like beaches can be viewed at the evenings. It looks great. So it will optimize our day with the schedule of that plans. So it will help us to create a beautiful plans and make the day blooming. Now you can see the results here. Day 1 and the day 2. Day 3, it is being planned morning, evening and the schedule by reaching time also. It plans as such on the optimized way, so you can cover most of the places on these 3 days and also at the best time to view these places. And next thing we want to see through this Google Bard is it uses our Google history. The search history is used by this Google Bard to give us the best results. As you can see, now I am asking a suggestion based on my search results. It gives me a result on AI. That means I search for different types of AI now to show this video for you guys, and it shows me the best books for AI and the machines which is available here and the softwares like this it shows. And the next thing is we can write articles or blogs here. Now I'm writing a prompt that write a blog for the channel responses. It is a topic on responding used in channels. That means in YouTube we will be using comments like that now. Here when we write this with minimum of 400 words should be used here. So you can see the output that it shows the complete. That's it for the today's video. If you want to try these commands, follow the instructions given at the introduction and must try this 3 prompts and use it beneficial for your blog post or your Instagram, wherever you want. You plan your trips, you can enjoy the vibes, you can write up beautiful articles using this AI. And the important thing is this AI is still learning to create the images. These images will be created by Adobe Firefly. I have already made the video on Adobe Firefly. If you want to see that, I'll tag in the I button, you can watch it. I hope by the end of this video, you will have the knowledge on AIs and how to use this Google Bard for adventures and skills development.